Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Honda Accord radio. First, let's get it powered on. Simply turn your car's ignition to the accessory or on position. Then, find the power button on your radio unit and press it. If your radio has an anti-theft feature, make sure it's disengaged. This initial step ensures your radio is ready for all the fun adjustments we'll make together. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next up, let's set the clock so you're always on time. Begin by pressing and holding the clock button on your radio for about 2 seconds. You'll then use the H button to set the correct hour and the M button to adjust the minutes. Once the time is accurate, simply release the clock button. Your radio will beep once, confirming the new time is saved. This small adjustment makes a big difference in your daily drive. Now let's personalize your listening experience by saving your favorite radio stations. First, tune to the station you wish to save. Then, press and hold one of the 6 preset buttons, typically labeled 1 through 6, for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a beep or see a confirmation on the display, indicating the station is saved. You can save up to 18 stations across 3 different bands, giving you plenty of options for your commute. Finally, let's connect your mobile device via Bluetooth for hands-free convenience. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth setup menu on your Accord's radio. Select the option to pair device or add new device. Your phone should appear on the radio's screen. Select it and confirm the pairing code on both devices. This allows for seamless audio streaming and hands-free calls, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.